Okay, folks, today I'm in Toronto and I am picking up an excavator. That big girl that you see right there, that's what I'm picking up. This machine is called a John Deere 60G. This machine was used to excavate this property right here. Start her up. First thing, gotta lift up. Lift that up. Lift this one up. Deck. Machine on the deck right there. Now, what I have to do is secure it. Now I'm going to show you how I do that. First with this one, because it's such a big unit, it's going to need 4 chains and 4 binders plus 1 strap. 1 chain go right here, and then there's another nylon strap right here, nylon spot right here, and also need to put the strap. that the machine is on the deck. As you can see, it's secured by 4 chains, 4 binders. And I'm using my yellow chain this time. So there's binded right there. Chain and bind right there by the drive wheel. This is what we call the drive wheel. And it works just the same as a tank. See, the bucket is secure. But you gotta secure the bucket just in case those loose, you won't take off on you. And this is what it looks like when it's completely on the deck. So it's secure on the deck. So the next thing I gotta do now is to go raise it up. So now that everything is secured and I'm happy with it, I'm gonna raise up the unit. And I'll show you how to do that. So now I'm back in the truck, and now it's time to raise the machine. As you can see, the machine, the deck is back up. The deck is back up. And there is my excavator secured and ready to go. And that's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So see you guys in the next video.